it going, everyone? Welcome to our YouTube channel. We're J Crew Customs. I'm Jules.
I'm John.
And we're the J Crew.
That's right. So, today we bring you our very first build. It's a 2016 Mustang GT competition package with the competition orange color, with the Recaro seats, and the PP1 package as well. Keep in mind, I was never a Mustang guy. My wife, Jules, over here,
girl.
yeah, she kept bringing it up and bringing it up and bringing it up, and eventually I fell in love after test driving one, so we bought one.
Yep, I can't believe that we're actually starting off a YouTube channel with a car that I've always been a fan of. He always made fun of me for liking him, but hey, came back, joke's on him. So we're super excited to show you guys what we're going to do. We've done many builds before. Unfortunately, we have not gotten them on footage, but we will probably make a video sometime in the near future about our previous builds, you know, the befores and afters. So if you stay tuned, you'll see all those.
Cool. Well, let's go check it out. So he's putting on the glass now, and he already put the primer adhesive on there. He's lining up the glass right now. He's got that suction cup on there that helps him, you know, stabilize the glass. It's a pretty simple process. We still have a lot of work to go. He's using that Milwaukee gun, And yeah, he does all of our windows. He's a really great guy. And looks like it's almost done. He got the front one on, just the back one left. These quarter glasses that were smashed, they were vandalized. Same with the front windows. Luckily, the two doors weren't smashed. You can see the back window was smashed as well. We're still waiting on the two quarter glasses. They should be here in a couple days, and you'll come back and install those. But yeah, I mean, take a look at that front glass, guys. It looks really good. Just cleaning up the back right now. Get it all cleaned up before we put it, because it makes cleanup a lot easier. So keep on watching, guys. I hope you guys like everything you guys see. Alright guys, so the adhesive is going on right now. This is what creates a very good seal between the water and the moisture and stuff entering into the cabin of the car. As you can see, we're applying it with the Milwaukee gun. And yeah, we're going to get ready to put the window on. Using that suction cup right there. It helps level out the glass, get it all aligned. We got the trunk popped open. And it helps because you can see the gaps on the bottom of the trunk area where you can't really see it with the trunk is closed, and gets you lined up and perfectly for that OEM look. Stay tuned, guys. We got a lot of cars coming and a lot of builds and a lot of DIY videos. This is just a start. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is the J Crew.
What do you mean welcome back to the channel? This is an intro.
Oh, damn it. That's shaky.
Alright, we mean business.
Welcome back to the channel.
John, this is an
Dang
intro.
Hey guys, welcome back to... Dang it, Sky! You're gonna go home!
Our dog just jumped on the couch.
Welcome back to the channel.
It's not welcome back. It's welcome to the channel. But, it's kind of...
How's it going, everyone? Welcome to our channel. I'm John. What's your name?